Hi, this is Rachel, and we're going to look at indices. So an index, plural indices, are these little numbers here. So they are the small numbers to the top right, and those tell us essentially how many times this number is multiplied by itself. So when we've got a 2, it's got a special name of squared. So this is 5 squared, or you could say 5 to the power of 2. And what this means is it's the same thing as saying 5 times 5. So it's 5 multiplied by itself. And we've got 2 5s here because that is a 2. So 5 times 5 is 25. Over here we've got a different index. So this has a 3, and that means our number gets multiplied by itself 3 times. So we've got 3 times 3 times 3. And if I do that, it gives me 27. So those are what indices do. They tell us how many times a number by itself when we've got positive indices. Now we do have symbols that go the opposite way. So we can go from 25 to a 5. So the opposite sort of function is called a square root. So it looks like this. It's almost like one of those division bus stop symbols, but it's more angular. So it's got a little kick here. It's like a tick with a line over. So our number that we are square rooting goes underneath, and this says the square root of 25, which is asking us what do we square to get 25. Well, we know that because we just did it, and the answer is 5. And you can pop that in a calculator as well. Have a look at my calculator tutorials to see how. We actually have a symbol that does the inverse to cubing as well. So this is 3 cubed. Again, cube is a special number, 4 to the power of 3. So our symbol for cube rooting looks very similar to our squares, but it's got a little 3 there instead. So we've got our tick bus stop with a little 3, and that means cubed root. So if I was to do the cubed root of 27, that's asking me what do I cube to get 27? And again, we've just done it, so we know that the answer is 3.